How to summarize a YouTube video using Microsoft Copilot. Before you begin, make sure the captions on your video are active. Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to summarize a YouTube video using Microsoft Copilot. The first thing you need to do is be using Microsoft Edge browser. And then you need to be using Microsoft Copilot there, which is on the top right of the corner, integrated in Microsoft Edge browser. Click it. Then you should be seeing this chat window. If you are not seeing this window, that means you are not logged into your Microsoft account, so you will need to be doing that first. So then you need to select the conversation style. I strongly suggest to use precise conversation style so you get longer answers. And it automatically offers you the option to generate video highlights. I clicked it. Now it is generating a summary for the whole video, and it is also generating video highlights. Now you can see generated a short summary and some video highlights. I can click on the highlight and it goes to that part of the video. Now you can see the video is over 16 minutes long, but it generated the highlights only for the 4th minute. So the trick I could use here is to ask to generate the video highlights for the 5th to 10th minute. Now you can see generated summary for a short timestamp, and it is generating highlights for a different timestamp for the 5th minute and later. So this basically means you should be doing it in parts for a better summary. Now you can also do it for the 10th. Ask it to generate until the end, from 10th to the end. Now I can see it generated the summaries for the entire video, and the next thing I can use is to go to the recent activity, and there I can export the file to PDF. In my case it offers me to print. I can select print to PDF, and this way I can download PDF. I hope you find my video useful. Make sure to subscribe and check out the blog with the link in the description.